us start by assembling the button maker. First, take the upper mold and identify the raised section. Align it with the slot on the top of the machine and press it down gently until it clicks. You'll notice the molds are labeled A and B. At this step, make sure to insert the A mold. Using the B mold here would be incorrect. Insert the A mold into the machine. Next, slightly lift the upper mold to create enough space. Then, push the lower mold inward along the track. Then, insert the screws into the slots on both sides. Now your machine is fully assembled. Let us test it to make sure everything is working properly. One important tip: when pressing the A mold, there should be a small gap in the center. When pressing the B mold, there should be no gap. This is how you can confirm the installation is correct.